What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Polygonians, we're going to go over Matic. We've currently come down to that level of support at $1.11 that we covered in yesterday's video. We're down about 8%. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.3 billion. 24-hour volume is 840 million. So let's hop into Matic here on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see here we weren't able to break above our neckline. We had a little bit of a bearish divergence. We were creating higher highs, slightly lower highs on the RSI, and we sold off. And we've come down to that $1.11. We're currently back testing it as resistance, so we may come down to $1 here. You can see here we're trending into oversold, so I would expect to see a bounce soon, quite possibly off this $1 level of support here, and we create a double bottom. We come down bottom, second bottom. Drop in our neckline here. So bullish reversal pattern, guys. If we were to break the neckline, could bring Matic back up here to about $1.46. So we're going to jump into Matic on the daily time frame. So we talked about us bouncing off the 200 EMA, and it looks like we may be coming back down to that level of support. We are underneath the EMAs and we're forming the bearish cross. So we would want to see a reversal pretty soon here, guys, or we'll get rejected by the EMAs and we could see that continuation to the downside. We're going to look at Ethereum here on the 4 hour time frame. So I talked about that double bottom forming. I said if we lose 3038, do target 2735 and the possibility of a double bottom. That's exactly what's happened. We've come right down to that level of support. So if we do see a bounce here, then that double bottom can play out. If we do lose this particular level of support, if Bitcoin heads down to 37.8K quite quickly, then do target 24374 for Ethereum, which was a previous swing low. As you can see here, we had our inverse head and shoulders. We came up, we got rejected by the neckline, by the EMAs, and we rolled over. So we may see this double bottom take form here. If we look at the hourly chart, you can see we are trending into oversold. That doesn't mean we can't go lower and come down to this level of support, but we should see a bounce back to the upside pretty soon here. Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have incredible benefits, including their Visa card, free Netflix, Spotify, Prime, travel incentives, cashback in Crow. They have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. Guys, they've also partnered with the UFC as well as the NBA. Over USD 800 million new investing. Crypto.com enters the NBA. You can see it's on the jersey here. Crypto.com. Incredibly cool, guys. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. It's my favorite app for investing, and I highly recommend it. So let's end the video here with Matic. So we still have our falling wedge. If our double bottom does play out, it would break us out of our falling wedge, and our target is $1.82. Guys, if we do lose this $1 level of support, I would expect us to see a bounce. But if we were to bounce and we get rejected by one of these levels of resistance, we continue to see that rollover. I will drop in some levels. We have this 78-cent level, and then we also have a little bit of support in this area right around 89 cents for Matic, but I would expect to see a bounce off $1 if we come back down to back test it as support. So that's it for Matic, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns as well as analytics. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I'm trading Matic, my favorite platform for leverage trading. They're also giving away free crypto right now. You can sign up through my referral. It takes 2 minutes, no KYC required. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.